guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is requested by my friend, which was best out of waste, and since it is Christmas, I thought why not let's combine both of them. So watch till the end, subscribe to this channel, and now let's get started. So for the first DIY, that is a reindeer disc, you would need a wooden disc. This one is a polished one because it's a store-bought one, but if you have a waste one like I did, it would do equally great. For this video I couldn't find that, so I had to buy. Now you would also need a jute rope. Again, it's readily available, sometimes it's a waste item as well. You would also need googly eyes, a pair of scissors, foam sheets, and a glue gun. So I'll start by drawing the ears of the reindeer. And now cut it using the scissors. I'm also cutting a circle from red foam sheet. And now all you have to do is assemble all the materials together using a glue or a glue gun. And voila, there you have your reindeer disc ready. For the second DIY, our waste item would be the teacups. You would also need some paints including white, a wire, and a pair of scissors would also be needed. Now I started with painting the teacups using white acrylic paint because I didn't want the print on the teacup to be shown on the second layer of the paint, which will be patterns. So I just had to hide it through white color acrylic. Now you can simply paint and design it with whatever color and designs and patterns you want. I went in with Christmas theme, that is green and red color. The next thing is little crucial and tricky. You have to cut the wire and insert it in the paper cups. Now if you are under 14 or 13, I would recommend you should consult your parents before doing this, and you have to actually do that only, and that will be the hook of the paper bell. Just to make it look little cute, I added in green ribbons to all of them, but again it's optional. Now for the next DIY, that is aesthetic looking candle. I had a jar which was of no use because the candle and the wax inside is of no use because the wick got disappeared. You would need some cinnamon sticks. Some things are common between all the DIYs, that is a jute rope, a pair of scissors, glue gun, and you would also need a candlelight diya. I have mixed Fevicol and paint in the ratio of 1:5 and I started painting the jar with it. And this DIY is pretty simple because now after doing this, what you have to do is take your glue gun, and stick all the cinnamon sticks all around your jar. Now also take your candle diya, apply the glue gun and stick it on top of the mason jar. If you have ribbon, go ahead with ribbon, or else you can use your jute rope as well. Tie it around, and little things make a huge difference in your outcome. So make sure you take care of that. And look how aesthetic it looks. Now moving on to the third DIY, for which we'll be using the waste material, that is wooden clips. Pom-pom balls, if you don't have, you can go ahead with cotton balls, crystals, white and blue paints, and a glue gun. If it is a waste material for you, they must be broken already, but now since I'm using the fresh packet of wooden clips, these were not broken, so I'm separating them from the clip or that pin that they have in between them. So yeah. And now you have to stick the two sides in the opposite manner using glue gun. Now I had a waste cap like this. I'm using the cap of this at the center of the snowflake. And now you have to simply stick all of them together. And once that's done, start by painting it using the colors of your choice, like blue, sky blue, white, anything would do great. So for decoration part, I decided to go in with sticking the pom-pom balls, or you can even stick the cotton balls and some crystals, and that's about it. And there you have your end result. Now for this DIY, you are going to use all of your waste materials. This snowball is again a waste item from your already existing decor or ornaments of your tree. I started with cutting a leaf out of the foam sheet. If you don't want to, then the cutouts that were left, you can stick that, just shape them and stick them. And now using glue gun, you have to combine all of the things, that is this cinnamon stick which was of no use, the foam sheet, along with which I had these cherry kind of things which I don't use. I mean, they were from the previous Christmas tree, and Yeah, anything and everything that you find. Attach a rope to it so that you can hang it on your tree, Christmas tree, and there you have it ready. So for the next DIY, I had this sort of a tray, wooden tray lying in my storeroom. I decided to use it as a table decor item because I'm sure my mom is not gonna use this anymore because of the condition. But for the table decor, if we just hide it using different items, it would look aesthetic. So I decided to paint the pine that I've been using since long as my backdrop white color. Now all you have to do is combine all of them on the wooden tray, that is your aesthetic looking candle that we made in the previous DIY, and then the pine, also the ball, snowball that we made, and I even added the pom-pom balls to it. And yes guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also do let me know what you would like to see next on this channel. And don't forget to watch the other videos that are on the way, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.